Hello, students and teachers, and welcome to Explain Everything. Explain Everything is an online digital whiteboard that allows socially distanced collaboration anytime, anywhere. You may find Explain Everything at explaineverything.com or by the URL attached down below in the bio of this video. Teach, present, sketch note, create videos, and work together, all in Explain Everything, the complete online and mobile whiteboard app. Throughout this video, I will be introducing Explain Everything and how to use it. Explain Everything is like Google Slides in the way that it provides organized information and photos to get that information across to the viewer, but dissimilar in the way that it is seamless to draw, create, and work together in engaging ways. Before you sign in, Explain Everything will bring you to a screen that looks like this. From there, you can either directly try it now or sign in. This will bring you to a page where you can either create an account or sign in with Google, which I have personally done. And from there, it will direct you to a new project. Explain Everything is free for starters for up to 3 projects, use on any device, collaboration with voice chat, and web video link sharing. There are also other prices that you can buy that will provide additional tools that will help you while using Explain Everything. Explain Everything not only offers tools for you to use directly through the actual application, but there is also options for work, including meetings, tutors, sketchnoting, learning and development, and things for school, including explainer videos and effective feedback, visual presentation, 4-minute assessment, and remote learning. Again, back to cloud projects. Here we have my drive, and I will go through creating a new project. I will start with either a blank template or a full-on template, and I will choose a template to explore. There are several different templates that you can use. For this one, which I theoretically will be using for an online digital classroom, I will click a meeting to conduct my ideas to my students. From here, I can create the name. I will title it First Day of Class. And there are endless opportunities to design these slides that my students can participate with me in, including inserting new photographs. Here you can find files, clip art, existing audio. For an example, I'll put a world, and then I can move this image any place I would like. Continuing on, you can draw and write. You can also highlight ideas, erase, create fonts, and delete objects. Now, once I have all of my work done, and I would like to share this with my students, I am able to do so over here to create a link, and I can also share via this invite link and invite code. I can add people myself and create a scenario. Explain Everything offers additional tools, tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to use the software. So if you're interested, find at the bottom of Explain Everything and enter your email down below and click Submit, and they will also provide additional information that you can use to navigate this helpful website.